Ayan guys, another day. Galaan na naman kami. Ayan yung daughter ko. Gusto niya daw kasing pupunta ng mall. So, at saka bago pa man, punta muna daw kami sa lunch sa King's Buffet. It's been a long time. I think 2 years na hindi kami nakabalik dito. Ayan, nag-anhimid-himid among gitry. Napaka-amaze kasi hindi siya ganito kaganda noon. Sa ano lang, ina-upgrade nila ng bonggang-bongga. Pero yung food ang sasarap din. Iba yung ambience niya, yung decoration, yung walls, everything is changed big time. Siyempre, yung price din, big time din ang price. Kasi dati, affordable siya. Ngayon, per person is 90.99 with discount na niya ng military discount. So, meaning, so mga 22 per person. $22 per person. Pero sulit naman din yung food. Ang sarap niya. Kasi, nung nakatira kami dito sa nearby dito, nasa apartment kami. That was back 2008. Ano siya, buffet din siya pero iba yung pangalan noon. So, binago nila. So, ayan guys, nag-enjoy naman kami sa pagkain. Ang sasarap. Siguro bago yung tagaluto, no? Kaya masarap gayud. Then tapos ano yan? I think weekend yan. Kasi Saturday. Saturday pala to. Saturday. I think this is November. November or October. Kasi naka-Thanksgiving. No, hindi pala terno kami ni Bella na damit. So, ayan. Tara guys, kain tayo. Actually, ang sarap. Wala si Christian dahil may lakad si Christian. Kaya, minsan, hindi namin kasama si Christian na. Kasi ayaw niya. May gig siya. May pupuntahan siyang mga car meet.
Hey guys, I want to celebrate my birthday here in the King's Buffet.
Nag-explain si Mama Amy. Picture daw muna kami ni Bella.
Show me your clothes. Anong t-shirt?
Diba? Pareho kami ng damit. Minsan kasi nagdeterno ako sa mga anak ko. Nung maliit pa si Christian tsaka si Alex, lagi kong tiniterno sila ng mga damit. Yung mga twin, kumbaga. Then tapos sinasabayan ko ng kulay ko. Siyempre kasi babae ako. Ayan, kinunan ako ni Bella ng video. And tapos si Bella din. Ang ganda ng anak ko. Super pretty and beautiful. Ayun, ang sarap ng noodles nila. Nagustuhan ni Seth yung pagkain this time. Siguro kapag babalik kami dito, siguro lunch. Actually, lunch naman to pero ang mahal pa din. Para siyang lunch buffet at saka kumi buffet or something. Ang sarap. Nagutom tuloy ako. Char. Siguro nagutom kayo sa video na to. Ayan yung may mga sushi. At saka ito pala tinignan ko. Ubus na. Hindi nila ni-refill.
Ay, walang laman.
Gusto ko sana. So, siguro next time na.
Walang laman.
Siguro kumuha. Siguro popular to na pagkain na to. Kasi ubus na eh. Ayan. Siguro next time. Ayan. Dessert naman tayo. O diba?
Very good.
Si Bella. Gusto niya yan. Kaya sinubukan ko muna. May lumapit na bata sa akin na gusto niya akong kunan ng video. So, sabi ko talaga, sige, nagpakuha naman din ako. Pero saglit lang kasi nahiya ako. Char. Pero siya yung nag-offer. Ayun na si Bella muna ng ice cream. Siguro, naka-speed up tong video na to. Dahil,
She want the marshmallow.
sira yung
Bella.
phone ko.
Go get your marshmallow.
Kaya, nag-voice over ako this time. Ayan, si Bella. Ayan, chocolate pa mo na.
Really covered it every
Ako
day.
na. Hilig ka talaga sa batamis. Ako hindi ako
Fully
hilig sa
covered now.
batamis. Sakto lang. Ito naman nakita namin yung kakilala ko. Nanganak na pala siya. So, syempre si Bella, gusto ng bata. Ipaglaro siya. Ayan. Ang cute ng baby.
Alam mo ba ang sarap may baby?
Diba? Pagkatapos doon, ayan, pumunta na kami sa North Star Mall. Syempre, ito yung day na Sabado pala. Yeah, kapag Sabado, that's the time that we explore as a family. Saturday and Sunday is our family day. Kasi Monday to Friday, Mama is
Come here.
always taking care of them, cook food, and drop off and pick up Bella to the school. And also Alex daw kasi dinadrop off din siya ni Daddy tuwing umaga kasi nga nagbabasa muna lang kami ng
Teka.
Bible para sa kanya tsaka pinipray na lang sila. Actually silang lahat. Ayan, kumuha kami ng video. Nasa bathroom ba kami dito? Ayan, si Bella gustong magsayaw. So, sige, merong salamin, sayaw ka dito. Papicture muna tayo. O, diba? Ganyan talaga banding ng mag-ina. Mommy and daughter. O, diba?
Okay, Mama. Mama only. I saw you.
Hinahawi ko pala si Bella kasi mapapicture mo na si
Okay, go.
Mami.
Go ahead, you.
Pero dumaan din siya. Pasaway din, di ba? She's very, meron siyang sense of humor. Napakakulit din, di ba? Saya na siya. Magaling siya magsayaw. She loves to dance. She's good at dancing anyway. Saan pa ba nagmana kay Mami Amy, di ba? Pero ngayon hindi na ako pwede magsayaw kasi merong mga bashers. Tara! Merong magagalit, kumbaga. Ayaw na nila ako magsayaw. Charot! Hindi. Ano lang, kasi nasa Panginoon na tayo. Diba? Ayun, naglalakad kami ni Bella kasi gusto ko siyang dalhin sa Sephora. Ayun, nakikita na niyang Sephora ata kasi gusto niya pumunta sa make-up. O, diba?
This is my first time going to Sephora today. It's my final.
Dito naman habang naglalakad kami papunta ng Sephora kasi hinabol namin si Daddy tsaka si Alex. May nakita kami naka-gown. So, nagpa-picture kami doon. Pero syempre hindi na ako kumuha ng picture. Ayan na, andito na kami sa Sephora.
This is a Sephora, Bella.
Amis na amis si
What do you
Bella
think?
dito.
You've never been here? This is your first time? Yeah, all my makeup, I have this in the house too.
Kasi
and I don't
first
know what
time niya
colors that
daw.
are. Yeah.
Actually, hindi niya first time nagpunta ng Sephora. Kaso baby pa siya. So, this time talaga, dalaga na siya. 9
Bella
years
here in
old.
the
So, alam na
Sephora.
niya. So,
Her first time
kasi bihira
here.
lang kasi ako pupunta ng
Lots of
Sephora.
makeup.
Siguro,
We gotta miss right now.
once in a
There's
blue
Bella.
moon. It's not
Huh?
yearly. Kapag
This is your first
maisipan lang,
time?
kapag gusto mo
Okay, here you go. I'm
doon.
introducing you. The
This time
Sephora.
kasi naghanap ako ng skincare kasi I have allergy.
This is probably
So,
the best thing I ever
I'm
seen.
asking somebody else
Okay.
to recommend me a good one, a good product. But, doon pa rin ako bumili sa sale.
I know.
Yung na-recommend naman nila is yung
It's a long line. You
sale.
know the Sephora,
So,
long line.
okay lang, try ko siyang
Grabe,
binili.
no?
Then tapos syempre si Bella talagang nakarami dito. Bella bought a lot of product and also Alex, they share. I think they got for the hair, it's very expensive if you're gonna go this place. Ganun talaga pa, it's okay. It's only once in a while. It's not all the time. It's not every year. So, only if, there you go. Saya mo na kami. Magkasundo kami ng anak ko si Bella. Then tapos si Alex. Pero wala si Christian.
Yay! Bella is
Ayaw kasi mahilig mag-shopping. Ngayon si Bella nakadami na. Magkano kaya lahat yan. Buti na lang si Mami. I have a
Let's go to
gift
the massage.
card. I've been collecting a receipt. Then, nakalikom ako ng maraming resibo. So, I redeemed. So, I got $50
Bella.
gift card.
You happy?
My earning collecting a receipt.
It's 4K.
So, ayan. Sa
Oh my God.
nakakatulong anak ko. That's all hers. I have only skincare but the rest is hers. Bumili din siya ng hand sanitizer. Paka-expensive ng hand sanitizer. $10. O, diba? So, si Daddy tsaka si Alex nagpunta sa
Blue again?
Apple Store. So, andun pumasok kami ni Bella, nagtingin-tingin na din. Si Alex kasi gusto magkaroon ng iPhone 17 ang gusto niya. So, ayun, just exploring around, thinking. So, Daddy, wala ka na ng pera dahil sa people mode. Ayun si Alex, nagko-compare. So,
What you say?
the next video,
Here's a
doon na namin nabili yung ni Alex yung phone niya. Pinika pa namin yun sa Lakanta. Ayun yung ano. Siyempre, nagpunta din kami sa Best Buy. Yung time na yun na Black Friday. Kasi Black Friday is coming. So, this video, nauna na muna itong video na to.
Then 45,000. 45,000.
Meron din akong video sa
1,199.
Black Friday pala. So,
The iPhone
yung
17
next
Pro Max.
premiere natin.
Thinking?
Kasi nagkukuha lang ako ng mga video pero hindi ko siya ina-upload kaagad. Nililikom ko muna siya. Ayan, si Alex. Nagtingin-tingin pa din siya. At saka nag-shopping din sila ni Daddy sa
Nasa 16 plus.
Josephine. Bumili siya ng
16 plus. Looks like the same with the Pro Max, no?
so this looks good. His polo shirt that he bought it. So, that's right. Gusto ko pala yung green. Gusto niya rin yung green. Parang avocado. Or neon something. Kasi nga, ang iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, iPhone Pro, 17 iPhone 17 Pro, bagong labas kaya daming nag-order, daming bumibili, daming nag-upgrade. But anyway, my phone is broke. My phone is sira. So, it's been
It's cheaper.
5.5 years bago siya palitan. So, I think it's about time na change the phone kasi my phone got broke while we're hiking back in March or April. So it got dropped to the rock. But yes, it took a while for me to change my mind. Actually, I contented what I have,
Don't be.
what I got. But anyway, here, nagbibiroan kami ng asawa ko. This is us. Nagbibiroan kami. Pero, nga pala
You
yun.
show up though, but you make your face good.
Baka matrubo na naman ako nito. Char. But anyway, sa mga tao lang yung
This is the book with the
makitid ng utak. Ito naman, nagpunta naman kami sa Barnes & Noble. Mahilig talaga kami ng Barnes & Noble. Nagbabasa ng libro.
Here is how books work.
Ayan, si Bella, binabasahan ko siya ng libro kasi nga gusto niya basahin ko daw. It's interesting naman din yung libro na yan.
Even if the word says.
Pero mahal niya na libro na yan, pero hindi namin kinuha. So binasa ko lang. Pinapabasa lang niya sa
Wait a
akin.
second. What? This is the kind
But
of
anyway
book
guys,
I
thank you for
read. I have to say, every
watching.
book
I think
says,
malapit na matapos yung
I am a
premiere
monkey.
natin.
Who told
Kung
myself to
hindi
read?
pa.
Hey, I'm not a monkey. And now I am reading you this book with my monkey mouth in my monkey voice.
I'm okay.
That's not true. I am not a monkey. Yes, I am a monkey.
Now you read this and robot.
Oh.
Also, I am robot monkey. What? And my head is made of blueberry pizza. Is this whole book a trick?
Wait, you forgot to.
Oh, wait a second. Is this a whole book a trick?
She is so
Can I stop reading,
beautiful.
please?
She
And you
loves
said no.
books.
And
She
now
has
it's
a
time
lot
for me
of
to sing you
books,
my favorite
especially
song.
Bible books.
A song?
Anime,
Do I really have to
anime
sing? I don't
books.
know yet.
Or Bible action books.
What do you mean guba guba glug 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 glug?
She has
Why
a lot
my
of
face is
her
a bug?
journal or
I ate ants. She ate
any kinds of
for breakfast, right? Of the
stickers.
rug.
A pencil for the tablet.
Mommy, keep going.
That's not a bad idea.
This book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading yet?
No.
No, there are more pages. I have to read the rest. My only friend in the whole wide world is a hippo named Boo Boo Butt.
Boo boo butt. Boo boo butt.
And also the kid I'm reading this book to is the
Ako,
best
tagal
kid
pala
ever
matapos
in
nito.
the history
Ini-speed
of
up
the
ko naman
entire
yun eh,
world.
kasi that's
Wait,
about
wait. Is that? Oh, really?
Oh, really? And
4
this
minutes.
kid is the smartest kid.
So, ini-speed
Too,
up ko
because this
na
kid closed this
ng
book even though it had no
1.5.
pictures. Because kids know this is the book
Para
that makes grown up
mapadali.
hard to say things
But anyway,
Silly.
and make silly sounds like
malapit
oh
naman
no,
din
oh no,
matapos. So,
here it
antay lang
comes.
natin.
So
So, pagkatapos dito, guys, sa Barnes & Noble, when I'm done reading Bella's book,
book. Dongi face.
this is the time that we're about to
my
head
goodness.
out.
Please don't
to
ever
go
make me read this
home.
book again. It's so
So,
silly. In fact, it is complete and utterly
Nag-stop by din
purpose.
kami pala sa gas station dito.
Next time, please.
Then
Just a
tapos
book with
yung mga
pictures,
anak
please.
ko,
Because it's just
may nakita silang kuan this is the time na yung mga party para Halloween pala.
This is the book with no pictures.
This
Kasi may nakita
is the
kami
book of
na
No pictures. Then the narrator will lead
There you go. It's done. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan na nga. Ito na nga kami. Tapos na. Ayan si Alex saka si Bella. Nagsisigaw gusto magpa-picture. Si Mami naman. May guts din ako na kausapin sila para magpa-picturean. Ayun. Respect. Ilagang panalo.